I just called a plumber to my house, and he said that all of these pipes that I did need to be replaced. He's also telling me I need a new water heater, but I know the book. I read the laws, I read the codes. I know that this is all okay. He's telling me I need a new water heater. I just put new water heater in, put 2 new boilers in, and I checked the code. You're allowed a little bit of seepage at your valves like that, and as long as the water heater is only dripping less than 100 drips a second, it still passes code. So it's a huge scam that oh, and they're saying I need to replace these flex lines with hard pipe. Come on, there's nothing wrong with this water heater. Freaking scammers.